Chuck writes, FOC Cash. Keep on keeping on. Well, thank you, Chuck. Chuck wrote a very nice email to me. A lot of people took last week's video as kind of a suicide note. That was not the case. I was not saying goodbye. I was saying I need to rethink how we're doing this. A lot of the interviews that we do fail. A lot of the tech that we talk about fails. And audiences simply... I believe one of the most riveting interviews we did was with Dustin Farthing, and no one watched it. Nobody watched it. People aren't subscribing to his channel. And when I say racing is the cutting edge, racing is the cutting edge. Just because you're not racing doesn't mean it doesn't apply to you. So I really think people need to start paying attention to what's happening with racing. But to that point, Chuck was very gracious in sending out an email, and it was very much appreciated. Watercraft Journal needs to change with the times. Watercraft Journal needs to evolve. And there's going to be changes coming up, and there's going to be staffing changes, and there's going to be how we approach things differently. I don't really know anything really concrete that I can really get into. But the channel will be changing. The YouTube channel will be changing. The magazine stuff will be changing. It's just changing. I'm old. Can't believe it. 46. I know that's not terribly old. A lot of you guys are like, dude, what the hell are you talking about? But I feel very old in this industry. And I feel very out of place in this industry. It's not what brought me in. And I'm not just meaning the people. There are people who brought me in who have passed on, who have retired, who have become disenfranchised, or they've just moved on with life, and that's totally fine. I mean, I get that. That happens, that's life. But it is very, very hard for me to be the last one at the party. The music's kind of died down. The food's gone. The drinks are gone. There's only a handful of people left. And I'm starting to think, hey, maybe the party's over. And that's what had been going through my mind these last few weeks. Actually, before that, a few months. And what does that mean? I don't know yet. I don't know. But I do know that it's time to grow wings and learn how to fly. That sort of thing. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.